why are you recommending Turkey? I'm curious, like, because he had a full head of hair, and I asked him, I was like, is that where you went? Why are you mentioning Turkey? That's kind of interesting. Hello, my name is Mario Cied, and I am from San Antonio, Texas, and I had a very great experience here at Vera Clinic. I started doing my research, I have to say about a year and a half ago, when my son kind of brought this up, and this being a possibility, and me working in public affairs, I am always in the public view, either in some type of capacity. So not only did I feel like this was a great investment for my position and my work, but it was also a great investment on my future self and any possibilities that came with this type of procedure. I can only imagine that my confidence will be higher once I see my hair come in full bloom. But overall, it's been a fantastic experience. From the shuttle ride from the airport over to Vera Clinic has been very smooth. The staff was very attentive, answered any questions that we possibly had. They very transparent as well. They were very clear on everything that was going to be happening from one step to the next, and pretty much anything that did happen was what was expected. I also got to give credit to the social media team and the media team for capturing amazing footage over the last year that we've been doing research. I commend you guys on doing such great work. That's what caught my attention. I'm a type of person that's very, very attentive to details, and a lot of the people that we reached out to here weren't as attentive to details as you guys were. And yeah, I commend you guys on the fantastic website work, overall social media presence and media presence. You guys do a really great job, and that kind of gave me the vote of confidence to go with you guys. And I have felt that this was the right decision from the get-go. Everything has, like I said, was super smooth from the hyperbaric chamber just a little while ago to the first initial washing. Slept pretty comfortable last night. Overall, it's been a very, very great experience, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the results of what's to come. The communication was fantastic. I initially got contacted by Adam Shelby, and he was very, very patient with me, because I will say I asked a lot of questions, and sometimes I felt like I was asking the same questions over and over again. And he was very patient with me as far as answering any questions that I had. And he was even proactive, kind of knowing what my next question was going to be. And he would already send me the answer on that, kind of prepared on what I was going to ask next. But no, Adam was fantastic. I got to commend him. He has been in communication with me from the time that I've landed and the entire trip that I've been here. He's communicated with me just to make sure everything's going smoothly. And overall, like I said, the communication, that's one thing I have to say that I really, really want to commend you guys is the communication has been super, super clear and very appreciative on my part. I know some of the people say that this can be super painless, but there was a little bit of pain, and that was only one part of the process, and that was during the hair transplant procedure when they're giving you the initial shots to numb your head. The first 15 to 20 shots were a little painful, but nothing out of the ordinary. If you ever gotten a tattoo before, kind of think about that in a sense, where it's just kind of a needle just kind of poking, not as a fast, rapid rate, but a slow kind of poke. And the way I looked at it was, if this was going to be the most painful thing for my hair transplant journey, then I was all in. Yes, as far as pricing comparisons go, and the reason that I came to Turkey is from the price comparisons that I had done in the States, one of the most affordable places I found were starting at $10,000. And some of the reviews were so-so, and I didn't want hair that was so-so. And as I continued to do more and more research, there was this one gentleman that I work with at there in San Antonio, and he's the one that brought up coming to Turkey. And I asked him, well, why Turkey? Why are you recommending Turkey? I'm curious, like, because he had a full head of hair. And I asked him, I was like, is that where you went? Why are you mentioning Turkey? That's kind of interesting. And he just came out and straight up said, it's like, they're the best in the world, bro. They're the best in the world. Like, all the top stars, all the people who really, really want to invest in their hair, you go to Turkey. Everyone else, even the United States, We copy what they do. We're not pioneers in anything. They are. And when this one friend of mine at work told me this, and I asked him, just out of curiosity, why do you know all this information? He's like, I've been a barber. I've been a barber since I was in high school. I've been a barber in college, and I still cut hair now part-time. And this is the stuff I pay attention to because a lot of my friends are balding and I keep up with this stuff. So that's how I know on how Turkey is the pioneer of hair restoration. And he told me straight up, he goes, dude, if you're even thinking about this, that's the place you need to go, man. Like, there's no place other. You need to think about going to Turkey. Start reaching out to people in Turkey and start doing your research. Like, don't mess with anything here. And once this guy told me, just out of nowhere, like I said, it was just a casual conversation. He just told me this out of nowhere, all this information that he knew. I quickly turned my attention over to Turkey, and realizing that when I started seeing the pricing that you guys offered, even with the airline fare, any accommodations that I needed to take, to get here, to make this happen, was still so much more affordable than anything I could have done in the United States. Plus, I felt like I was in a lot better hands here than I could have been in anywhere else around the world. So initially, when I booked this trip, I was looking to obviously get my hair back. So the one thing I can tell anyone who's even thinking about doing this or taking this journey is look into Vera Clinic's pricing, take a look at all the reviews, take a look at the results that they have, and that'll quickly instill that confidence for you to make this move. And not only is this move an immediate one, but it's gonna be a move in your future self. It's gonna be an investment in your future self. It'll help you with your confidence, and it's one of those things that you want to be able to invest in yourself and be able to see the results in the long term. And I think this is one of those things that we'll be able to see in the next 12 to 16 months, 18 months. We'll be able to see the full results, but this is definitely worth the investment. That you'll know from the get-go as soon as you reach out to Vera Clinic just how smooth everything is, and they're just going to continue to instill that confidence for you to make this move. Thank you so much, Vera Clinic. You guys have been fantastic, and I really, really appreciate all the hospitality and transparency.